Hi friends, in previous video we have to discuss about stem, leaf, role of xylem and the transport of water and food, conduction of water and dissolved minerals. So now we start reading in transport of food, translocation. Fruit prepared by photosynthesis in leaves, carbohydrates that glucose sources etc. Uh, enters the phloem sieve tube elements is dissolved from through companion cells. It is then transported to all other parts of plant body through phloem. This is figure transport of food in plants. This is xylem, phloem, water, companion cell, leaf cell, stem tube elements, root cell, companion cell. Explanation. Xylem tissue consists of dead cells joined end to end with no end walls to form a continuous tube. Phloem is composed of living cells called sieve tubes, companions cells, and phloem parenchyma. Parenchyma is a type permanent tissue forming major part of ground tissue in plants. The main function of parenchyma is to store and assimilate food. Stomata. The large number of stomata in lower epidermis of the leaf helps in absorption of carbon dioxide and release of surplus oxygen in the environment. This is figure of stomata in leaves. Stomata. Stoma open, stomata. Stoma closed. This is closed and this is open. Distributions of chloroplasts in mesophyll tissue from maximum absorption of sunlight, regular supply of water through xylem tissue and carbon dioxide through stomata are the features of leaf and facilitate photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is defined as the process during which carbon dioxide and water combined in a presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose, food, and oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight arrow food, glucose plus oxygen. The process of photosynthesis depends on the following factors. Light photosynthesis record energy for combining carbon dioxide and water to form glucose food. Sunlight provides this energy. The rate of photosynthesis depends upon the intensity of light. There is more light intensity at noon, so the rate of photosynthesis is fast at the noon. In the evening or morning, the rate of photosynthesis is slow due to less light intensity. Photosynthesis stops at night because there is no sunlight at night. Carbon dioxide. Air contains 0.35 to 0.4% carbon dioxide. If there is more amount of carbon dioxide in the environment, the rate of photosynthesis will be fast. But once the carbon dioxide concentration reaches a certain level, there is no further increase in the rate of photosynthesis. Less quantity of carbon dioxide is an environment slows down the process of photosynthesis. Water. Besides carbon dioxide, water is also an essential requirement for photosynthesis. If it is not available as much as required, the rate of photosynthesis will be affected, and plant will produce less food. Chlorophyll. The process of photosynthesis cannot take place without chlorophyll. It is the chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight and makes it usable in the photosynthesis process. Chlorophyll is present in chloroplasts, which are present in photosynthetic cells. Temperature. Like many other chemical reactions, photosynthesis is also affected by temperature. The suitable temperature for the process is 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. At very high or very low temperature, the process of photosynthesis either stops or slow down. Adaptations in leaf structure for photosynthesis. Number 1. The blades of leaves are flat and absorb maximum light required for photosynthesis. Number 2. Thin blades of leaves make the light and carbon dioxide reach the internal parts easily. Number 3. Thick layer of paralyzed mesophyll containing large number of chloroplasts just beneath the upper epidermis can make maximum absorption of light to make food that for the plant.